Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this today's lecture we are going to solve the LeetCode problem number 344, that is reverse string. So I'm going to divide this LeetCode problem into two videos. So the first video is lecture part and the second video is C code. So in the lecture part we're going to discuss the algorithm and logic, how to solve this LeetCode problem, everything. In the second video we will go to the LeetCode web page and we'll go and write our C code, and I'm going to explain it line by line. So without any delay, so let's begin our lecture part. So first we're gonna see, let us understand the problem first. So our task is to reverse a string. Reverse a string. So that means the first character should go to the last position. So the last character should come to the first position. Let us take an example. Suppose the string is hello. So this is a string. So the positions are, so this is the first position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position. So now we need to reverse it. So when we reverse this string, we will get O L L E H. So this is our final answer. Now the question is, how do we do it efficiently? So we use a simple technique called two pointers. So one pointer starts from the beginning and another pointer starts from the end. So let us take this example only. So hello. So hello. So left pointer points to H. So left pointer. So left pointer points to H, and right pointer will point towards O. So now we're going to swap them. So now both pointers meet. So now it gonna becomes OLEH. So this string is completely reversed. So it's very simple. Let us see for another example. Suppose the string is, let us take example, suppose cat. So cat. So left pointer starts with C, and so left, and right right pointer starts with T. So now we are going to swap. So now it becomes TAC. So done. The idea is simple. So keep swapping the first and last characters. Now, so we need to move towards the center. When the pointer meets, it's gonna stop. So this method is fast. So this method uses very little amount of memory. So that's why it is interviewers like this question. I mean, many interviewers like this solution. So this is all about the reverse string. In the C code, we are going to see we are going to write the C code for our LeetCode problem. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. So let us meet in the LeetCode web page. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the LeetCode web page.